All right, we're going to take a look at a multiplication problem using the shortcut or traditional method, and we are going to be adding some decimals in there. Remember, like we watched yesterday and we learned in class that when we add decimals into our multiplication, the process doesn't change too much. We're going to go through this whole problem as if the decimals weren't there, and then we'll add the decimal in at the end. Okay, so like we've said, I start with the 4, and I'm going to multiply the 4 by the 1, then by the 3, then by the 7, kind of use my strategy. All right, 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Carry the 1. 4 times 7 is 28. Add that extra 1 is 29. All right, I like to erase my little ones just to make sure. All right, now we're going to start using the 5 to multiply by the 1, the 3, and the 7. But because it is one place value over, we have got to put a 0 to hold that place value. 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Carry the 1. 5 times 7 is 35. Plus 1 more is 36. All right. I do my adding. 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 5 is 7. 9 plus 5 is 14. Carry the 1. 6 plus 2 is 8. Plus 1 more is 9. 3 plus that blank spot is 3. Okay? Now, we don't have the right answer here. Our numbers are right, but we don't have the right answer because we've now need to add our decimal in there. So we have to count how many numbers in our problem came after the decimal. Well, in 73.1, we have our decimal, and we have one number that comes after it. In 5.4, we have a decimal and one number that comes after it. So that gives us two numbers that come after that decimal. So that means we need to move our decimal over two place value spots or two numbers to get our correct answer. All right. So think of our decimal kind of at the end here. We're going to move it over 1 and 2 to put our decimal right in there, making sure we have two numbers, 1, 2, that comes after it, giving us a final answer of 394.74. All right, it's as simple as that. You know the strategy. Just put that decimal in at the end. Make sure you count up how many numbers you need. All right, good luck.